Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little design team package from DIY Art Bin Store on Aliexpress. And he sent me some things. This first one right here is just a set of numbers, 1 through 9. Obviously you can make 10. And then it comes in, I think, euros. I think that's a euro sign. Dollar sign, plus, minus, equals, all that. Like a big funky, like blocky shaped. This one right here, this is a little gnome girl with braids. And she's got a little present, so she could be like Christmas themed. As we all know, Christmas is coming up. We have this one. This is actually a little penguin and like kind of like a little coat. See the little penguin face and eyes. It reminds me of the penguin from the Wallace and Gromit series. Here's a little scarf, hat, all the layering pieces. Next we have this one right here. This is like a little moon shape, and this unicorn, see his body, hangs on the moon and he's sleeping. And then it also has wings. You could put wings on the unicorn, the horn, the hair, the mane, stuff like that. And then we have this one right here. These are little like candy shapes. I don't know what this shape is, but these are all candies. And you could either leave them as is, like this. Here they are cut out. Or you can layer them up and cut it out again in a different color, like gold or white. Definitely, I always think of Christmas with stuff like this. But for instance, here's the white one. I don't pop those pieces out, and I would layer them up like this. And then you have a layered like peppermint candy cane. You could do this in pink and pastels. That's gonna be really cute for Christmas. Here's this one. Again, I wouldn't pop out the pieces, except for this back one fell out. Go like that. Would go on top. And then these guys, again, same story. Cute little peppermints, and then these guys as well. Or you could just leave them like this, like a hollow cutout shape. So yeah, that is everything from DIY Art Bin Store, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.